How to add a troll face in Capcut. First, open the Capcut. Then select the clip for editing. Then freeze the clip according to clip speeds. Then delete the last one. Then go in Overlay. Add the troll face overlay. Adjust the troll face. Then go to Video Effects. Select Shake Effect. Then Black Flash. That's how you can add troll face in Capcut. That's all from today. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload.